Hello everyone, my name is Anna Zardani. Complex sentence of verb clause and adjective clause. Definition of a verb clause. An verb clause is a dependent clause that functions like an verb. It explains when, where, why, how, or under what conditions something happens. It always begins with a subordinating conjunction and can stand alone. Next question. Explain the difference between the following subordinating conjunction. Provide one sentence of its. Number one, after and on the or as soon as. Number two, when and whenever. Number three, when and by the time. Four, because and now that. Five, even though and even if. After versus on the or as soon as. Number one, after. Thus on the action happiness like in time. Number two, on or as soon as. So on the action happiness immediately after another. Example, after I finished my homework, I went to bed. So as soon as the rain stopped, we left the house. When versus whenever. Or when refers to a specific moment. Number two, whenever reference to every time something happiness prepare to happen. Examples, when I arrived, the meeting had started. Two, whenever I had the song, I remember my childhood. When versus by the time. When indicates the moment and action happen. When the time. How something already within for another action. Example, when a called I was joking. Number two, by the time a called I had finished joking. Because versus not that. Because status generalization. Number two, now that status reason based on a situation. Examples, because I was tired, I slept early. Number two, now that the exam is over, we can relax. Even talks versus even if. Even talk contrasts with something that is true. Number two, even if contrasts with a possible or hypothetical condition. Example, even thought it was raining. Were conditions lying. Number two, even if it rains tomorrow, we will still go hiking. Defin Definition of the adjective clause. An adjective clause is a dependent clause that describes a noun or pronoun. It usually starts with a relative pronoun of a relative of a. Step 2. Explain the function of its relative problem. Who, whom, which, that, was, and relative adverbs. Why, when, why. Function of relative pronouns. On the people subject whom refers to the people, which refers to the things of animals, that refers to the people of things, was thus possession. Func- Function of relative power, where refers to a place, when refers to a time, why refers to a season. 3. Provide one sense of a simple sentence. The teacher who helped me was very good. Number 2. The woman whom you met yesterday is my aunt. Number 3. The book which I bought in interesting. Number 4. The car that Travis is expensive. Number 5. The boy was but is missing is crying. Number 6. The cafe where Muhammad was with. 7. I remember the day when the first started. 8. The reason why he left is the still answer. Next, explain the definition of essential and non-essential clause. Essential versus non-essential classes. Essential classes. Provider next and sharing information to identify the noun. No promise. Non-essential clause. Providers extra or optional information. Uses commas next. Provide a sentence of easy. Example sentence of champion clauses. Number 1. The student who study hard usually get good grades. Number 2. The house that has a red door belongs to Matt Hansen. Next examples depends of noun essential clause. Number 1. My sister who lives in Jakarta is visiting next week. Number 2. The chair which I bought last year is still in perfect condition. Thanks.